I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
There's one thing I like to call the hodl zen. As you go into your first bear market, you're in zen mode. Nothing will ever beat you again. You made it down, you've made it back up, you DCA'd. That after the hodl zen mode, that's when you go into what I call keep your stack. Oh, and guess what? I've got a little spend stack, because I always love to help support anyone that is accepting Bitcoin via Lightning. I'll say, going back to what Ben's talking about, what happened here, I really don't care. And I think most hodlers don't care because, yeah, that's great. You're putting these ordinals on here. You're pumping up the prices. The miners are getting rich, which is good because that drives innovation. In my mind, the miners get to figure out, wait, how can I find something more efficient? For the true Bitcoiners, I don't think it really mattered. Well, it never mattered to me. And we've talked about this quite a bit in our spaces. I'll just say this. Moving forward, if a monkey JPEG can bring down Bitcoin, I was wrong to begin with. I've said that for a while. If a monkey JPEG brings down Bitcoin, what the hell am I doing here? It's going to change the prices. Look, the fees go up, the fees come down. I really don't care. The important thing is I see what the future is. I mean, this stuff on the side, like Lightning and Liquid, imagine how crazy, what's the movie with Will Ferrell? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills here.
Yeah.
That's where we're at. Like, I'm trying to, I remember Ben, man, in Charlotte last year, and he's trying to sum up Bitcoin in 45 minutes, friend. And he's there, and at the end, he's the conspiracy guy with like the tinfoil hat. He's got points all over the board. And this is what I feel like. What are you going to do? Lightning, Liquid? I don't care. I'm not moving my Bitcoin yet. We are so early. We are so early in what the hell we're doing. I'm not moving it except for my little cool pile on the side. You buy these things and you help these little companies come along. I got coffee from Colombia using Lightning, but this whole last part meant nothing. I don't understand. If you guys want to waste money attacking the Bitcoin chain, go for it. You're enriching them, and you are just you're running out of money yourself.